Did you know some vegetables actually grow better in pots than they do in the ground? If you've ever struggled with pests, soggy soil, or just disappointing harvests, this might be the reason why. Today, I'm sharing 6 vegetables that truly prefer containers, and I'll explain exactly why they thrive there. Welcome back to Contain Your Life. Whether you're gardening on a patio, a balcony, an RV site, or even in a spacious backyard, container gardening gives you so much more control. And guess what? These vegetables absolutely love that extra attention. Let's break down each one so you can start growing smarter, not harder. First up, we have cherry tomatoes. In garden beds, these guys are notorious for root diseases and can really suffer from inconsistent soil moisture. But in containers, they're a whole different story. Pots offer excellent drainage, which prevents the roots from getting waterlogged and developing rot. The soil also warms up faster, giving them a strong start to the season. Plus, it's so much easier to spot and manage any diseases before they spread. A quick tip for success: use at least a 5-gallon pot per plant. Invest in a quality potting mix and give them a spot with full sun. Next on our list is lettuce. Now, lettuce really hates compacted, heavy soil. And pests like slugs and aphids just can't get enough of it in a garden bed. This is where containers really win. They provide much better airflow around the leaves, which helps prevent fungal issues. Being elevated off the ground also creates a natural barrier against many crawling pests. And you can move the pots around to control the temperature, which is key. Too much heat causes lettuce to bolt or go to seed. A quick tip: shallow containers work great for lettuce. About 8 inches deep is plenty. Give them some partial shade during the hottest part of the day to extend your harvest well into the warmer months. Number 3, peppers. Whether they're sweet or hot, peppers absolutely despise cold, wet soil. This makes them a real struggle in unpredictable garden beds, especially in cooler climates. But containers are the ideal environment. The soil warms up much faster in a pot, which is exactly what pepper roots need to get going. You also have complete control over drainage, preventing the dreaded wet feet that can stunt their growth and lead to root problems. This controlled environment leads to much stronger, healthier root development. Here's a quick tip: let the soil dry out slightly between waterings. This little bit of stress actually encourages the plants to produce more flavorful and, in some cases, spicier peppers. Coming in at number 4, we have radishes. Radishes grow incredibly fast, but their one major weakness is compacted soil. If the soil is too dense, you end up with weirdly shaped, forked roots instead of those perfect little globes. This is where containers shine. The loose, fluffy potting mix allows the roots to grow straight down without any resistance. You'll also notice faster germination because the soil is warmer. And my favorite part: it makes succession planting a breeze. A quick tip for this one: use wide, shallow containers. This gives you plenty of space to plant a new row every 10 to 14 days. So you can enjoy a continuous, non-stop harvest of fresh radishes. Our 5th vegetable is a crowd favorite: strawberries. Now, growing strawberries in a traditional garden bed can be frustrating. The fruit often rests on damp soil, which leads to rot, and they're a magnet for slugs and other ground-dwelling pests. Putting them in containers solves both of these problems beautifully. It keeps the delicate fruit clean and off the wet soil, dramatically reducing the chances of rot. It also makes them much less accessible to pests. Plus, strawberries look absolutely fantastic in hanging baskets or tiered planters. For the best results, choose containers with excellent drainage holes and make sure to refresh the soil with new nutrients every year to keep your plants productive. And finally, at number 6, we have bush beans. Like many of the others on this list, bush beans really dislike soggy soil, which can slow down germination and lead to root rot. Garden pots or garden bags are the perfect solution. The soil warms up faster in the spring, encouraging quick and even germination. The improved airflow around the plants helps prevent common bean diseases. And let's be honest, harvesting is so much easier when you're not bending all the way down to the ground. A final quick tip: fabric grow bags are absolutely excellent for beans. They provide incredible aeration for the roots and make overwatering almost impossible, preventing nearly all root-related problems. So if you've been struggling with any of these vegetables in your garden bed, please don't blame yourself or your skills. Sometimes it's not you. It's simply the container advantage. These plants just have specific needs that are much easier to meet in a pot. If this video helped you out, give it a like. And for more realistic gardening tips that actually work, be sure to subscribe. Now, I want to hear from you, so let me know in the comments which of these vegetables you're planning to grow in containers this season. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.